Middle East war and global energy crisis. Imagine waking up one day and finding that fuel prices have doubled. Gas cylinders have become scarce. Electricity production is slowing down. And the entire world is struggling with an energy crisis. This may sound like a future disaster scenario. But experts say it could become reality if the war in the Middle East continues to escalate. Rising tensions in the Middle East. The growing conflict between the United States, Israel, and Iran is no longer just a regional military confrontation. Its impact is spreading across the global economy. And the biggest sector under threat is energy. Oil markets are reacting. Gas supply chains are under pressure. And countries across the world are preparing for potential shortages. Why the Middle East controls global energy? The Middle East is often called the energy heart of the world. This region holds some of the largest oil and gas reserves on the planet. But even more important than the resources themselves is a narrow shipping route known as the Strait of Hormuz. This small stretch of water connects the Persian Gulf to the rest of the world. Every single day, massive oil tankers pass through this corridor. In fact, nearly 20% of the world's crude oil and around 1/4 of global LNG supply travel through this route. If this passage is blocked or disrupted, the consequences could be enormous. Shockwaves in the oil market. As tensions in the region increased, oil markets immediately reacted. Shipping companies began reconsidering their routes. Some oil tankers reduced their movement in the area. Insurance costs for vessels traveling through the region suddenly increased. These disruptions have already started tightening global oil supply. And whenever supply decreases, prices begin to rise. Energy analysts warn that if the conflict continues, oil prices could potentially reach $150 per barrel. Such a rise would affect every country and every consumer on the planet. LNG supply under threat. But oil is not the only concern. The global market for liquefied natural gas, or LNG, is also at risk. Countries such as Japan, South Korea, India, many nations in Europe, depend heavily on LNG imports to generate electricity in power industries. A large share of this LNG originates from Middle Eastern exporters. If shipping routes become unsafe or blocked, the LNG supply chain could be severely disrupted. This could lead to gas shortages, electricity problems, and industrial slowdowns. LPG crisis. Impact on everyday life. The consequences could reach even further into everyday life. LPG, the fuel used in millions of homes for cooking, is also closely connected to Middle Eastern energy supplies. If the war continues to affect shipping and production, LPG prices could rise dramatically. Commercial gas supplies could tighten. Hotels, restaurants, and food businesses could struggle. In other words, a geopolitical conflict thousands of kilometers away could directly impact people's kitchens and daily life. Global economic consequences. Energy is the backbone of the global economy. When fuel prices increase, the ripple effects spread everywhere. Transportation becomes more expensive. Food production costs rise. Manufacturing slows down. And inflation begins to climb. The world has experienced this before. One of the most famous examples is the 1973 oil crisis. During that crisis, oil shortages triggered economic shocks across many countries. A similar situation could emerge if today's conflict escalates. Impact on India. Countries like India are particularly vulnerable. India imports around 90% of its crude oil needs. This means the country depends heavily on stable international supply. If oil and gas prices surge due to the conflict, petrol prices may increase, diesel costs may rise, LPG cylinders may become more expensive, and inflation could impact millions of households. Could the world face an energy emergency? Energy experts warn that if the war expands further, the world could face a serious energy emergency. The Middle East supplies a massive share of the planet's oil and gas. Any disruption there affects the entire global energy system. And in a highly interconnected world, a crisis in one region can quickly become a global crisis. So what we are witnessing today is not just another regional conflict. The tensions between the United States, Israel, and Iran could reshape global energy markets. Oil, LPG, and LNG supplies are all under pressure. And the consequences could reach every corner of the world. Now the big question remains, will diplomacy calm the situation or will the world move closer to a global energy crisis? If you found this video informative, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments. Do you think the world is heading toward a major global energy crisis?